If this number is an amount of euros, I can easily apply a euro notation by clicking this button here. But let's say I want a different unit on this number. For example, kilowatt hour or square meter or square foot. What options do I have then? There's obviously no button for the unit square foot. If I want to write this number with the unit square foot behind it, select this cell, open this list of number formats, choose more number formats, choose custom, and then type your custom number format here. I'm going to type 0.00, and this means that the number must be displayed with 2 decimals. You can see a sample here, and behind the number I type space, and then between double quotation marks, square foot. Now you could type square foot like this, or a little nicer would be FT, and then the little exponent 2 to indicate the square. So with numlock on, I'm going to type Alt 253, and then I get a little exponent 2. Click OK, and then my number is displayed with 2 decimals and the unit square foot. Now this looks like a text, but it is in fact a number, which means that I can do calculations with this number. And to test this, let me multiply it by 2 times this number, enter, and it does the calculation, so that means that this is still a number. Now to apply the same unit square foot to this number, I select this cell, open the list of number formats, go to more number formats, go to custom again, but this time I can go to the bottom of the list and reuse the number format I created earlier. Click OK, and now this number 2 has the unit square foot applied to it.